Okay, we're getting set up now for the HVAC Roadshow in Greenville, South Carolina today, Monday, October 9th. If you're in the area, please come check it out. We have about 17 vendors. You saw the big Aeon trailer out there. We're going to be serving lunch at noon, and we also have 3 PDH classes. At 10:30, we're going to be doing Natatorium design. At noon, we're going to talk about the 410A transition, and then at 1:30, we're going to have Armstrong talking about parallel pumping. And again, come out to Greenville, South Carolina today. The address is in the description of this video. Thank you.